In the last video, we discussed about the self inductance. Now, today we will discuss mutual inductance. So basically सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस क्या था? सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस में हम एक ही कॉइल को कंसीडर करते हैं एंड वी फ्लो करंट थ्रू वन कॉइल एंड द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स लिंक्ड विद itself when changes EMF is induced in that coil itself. Now students, in mutual inductance we will consider two coils. इसमें हम दो coils को देखते हैं एंड वो जो दोनों coils हैं दो आउट ऑफ वन, उसमें जैसे यहाँ पे अपने बात करें, दिस इज़ वन coil, दिस इज़ सेकेंड coil. So this coil is called primary coil and this coil is called secondary coil. तो इस तरीके से दो coils हैं. अच्छा, एक को मतलब प्राइमरी कॉइल को हम अपनी जो ईएमएफ सोर्स है उसके साथ जोड़ेंगे और सेकंड जो सेकेंडरी कॉइल है उसको हम जो दूसरा गैल्वेनोमीटर है उसके साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे. लेट मी शो यू द डायग्राम. सो एज शोन इन डायग्राम हियर वन कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड with the source, that is current source, and second coil is connected with the galvanometer. So students, what is mutual inductance now? So here mutual inductance is basically the phenomena which is linked with the two coils. That is when we flow current through the primary coil, it will produce magnetic field and that magnetic field will be linked with the second coil. तो जो सेकेंडरी कॉइल के साथ जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लिंक होगी दैट इज कॉल्ड द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स लिंक्ड टू द सेकेंड कॉइल और सेकेंडरी कॉइल. नाउ व्हेन वी विल चेंज द करंट थ्रू प्राइमरी कॉइल, obviously magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil will change, and with change in magnetic flux which is linked with the second coil or secondary coil, then EMF will induce in that coil. So in this way we can define the mutual inductance. Mutual inductance is the phenomena of inducing EMF in the secondary coil due to change in current in the primary coil, and hence the change in flux in the secondary coil. Now, how we can find out the coefficient of mutual inductance? So, we know that the flux which is linked to the secondary coil will be directly proportional to the current flowing in the primary coil. So, phi to 1 will be directly proportional to I1. So, from here, if we want to remove the directly proportional, we have to add a constant here. So, we will use M here as the constant. So, here M is coefficient of mutual inductance. So, in this way we can define the mutual inductance. Mutual inductance is defined as the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil when the unit current flows through the primary coil. The SI unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Okay, you should remember this. Henry is the SI unit of mutual inductance. Now we can find out the formula for the mutual inductance. Now we know that the magnetic field produced by primary coil will be equal to mu naught. Here we have mu naught N1 I1. So this is the magnetic flux produced by first coil, that is primary coil. Now what will be the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil? We can determine this, that is phi 2. Phi 2 will be equal to B1A, that is mu naught N1 I1 A. So students, after finding the value of phi, now we can calculate the total flux which is linked with the secondary coil if the coil has n number of turns. So now here we have the total flux, but we know that phi to 1 is equal to m to 1 I1. ये हमने पढ़ा है अभी. So that's why we will write this. M to 1 will be equal to phi to 1 upon I1. So similarly we can put the value of phi to 1 to calculate the M21. After that we have M12 also, क्योंकि हम इंटरचेंज कर देंगे 1 और 2 को. So obviously M21 is equal to M12, so we can write generally it as the M. So how we can change the mutual inductance? First is, if solenoid are wound on a magnetic core, that is relative permittivity mu, then we can increase the magnetic mutual inductance. Second method, if solenoids S1 S2 have number of turns N1 N2 of different radii, okay, then also we can change the magnetic flux and obviously the mutual inductance. And mutual inductance also depend upon the relative placement of the solenoids and also on the coefficient of coupling. And coefficient of coupling K is equal to M upon under root of L1 L2, where L1 L2 is self inductance of the coils, that is self inductance of primary coil and self inductance of secondary coil.